Happy Thursday. See, lumiit na ang butete kong tiyan. Paring Ninyo. Ninyo Hasta. Special mention. Ninyo Hasta. Pag nagkita tayo, tingnan mo. Yun o. See, nagana na, lumit na. From 86 kilos, nag-80, 83, 84 na ako. Oh, paring Ninyo Hasta, special mention ka. Lilit din to. Araw-arawin ko. Tingnan mo, dati laylay dito kaya. Hindi ko makita si Manoy. Ngayon, okay na. Okay, so anyway, yeah, this is my daily dose after the machine, and then I'm doing this. So I just got from the office. I have a surprise to all my team members. So yeah, shake and massager first before anything else, because some of my friends are teasing me. Hey, your big tummy is still big, but look. All right, cheers.